Daktari Raila Amolo Odinga. Asante. Niombe tuketi. Niombe tuketi. Nyasaye ber to seche duto kendo mane kite. Your Excellency Engineer Dr. Raila Amolo Odinga, Your Excellency the Governor of Siaya County, Honorable James Aggrey Orengo, all governors present, senators, members of the National Assembly, the clergy, distinguished guests, Your Excellency, we are at the point where we are starting our service to be led by Bishop David Moreithi, the presiding bishop of the House of Grace Church. We have other men of God, Dr. William Mabuka, Bishop Dr. William Mabuka, Bishop Ephraim, as well as Pastor Charles, who are going to assist in leading the service. May I now invite, thank you. Thank you. Allow me to acknowledge the presence of the good governor of Homa Bay, who is also the chair of the party, Honorable Gladys Wanga. Thank you very much for finding time to condole with us. And the good governor of Kisumu County, Your Excellency Professor Peter Anyang' Nyong'o, as well as the senator of Siaya County, Honorable Youth Leader, Dr. Oburu Oginga. Thank you, sir, for finding time. May I now invite Pastor Robert Burale to officially start the service. And even as the service is starting, I want to remind you, emphatically so, that we are now in the presence of the Lord. All unofficial headgear, kofia zisizo rasmi, naomba zivuliwe, maana sasa tunaingia uweponi mwa Bwana. Musa alipofika uweponi mwa Bwana, aliambiwa avue viatu vyake. Niombe kutambua katibu mkuu wa chama, Senator Edwin Sifuna. Thank you very much. And the Roots Party leader, Mheshimiwa Wajakoya. Thank you. Aliyekuwa waziri Rafael Tuju na seneta wa Homa Bay Moses Otieno Kajwang'. Thank you. Vile nimemwona Mheshimiwa Babu Owino, asante kwa kujumuika nasi. Basi mtumishi wa Mungu Pastor Robert Burale, karibu na neema ya Mungu iwe juu yako unapotuhudumia.